Full harmony.
Good morning from Fajardo, Puerto Rico. We're about to go on the boat tour. We're getting ready. There's coffee like down the street, so gonna get coffee. And then the boat tour is like, we take off from like somewhere right here. So get ready. I'm excited. It's like a 6 to 8 hour boat ride, something like that. Food, drinks, stopping at various locations. I heard we get to jump in the ocean. So thank you, God, for waking us up another day. It's such a beautiful place. Thank you, God. God is so good. But stay tuned.
We are 45 minutes early.
Just a quick reminder, Jesus is the way and the truth. Trust him.
Take cappuccino, yeah.
Gracias.
This is today's big back breakfast. We got a side of papas with ham and cheese croissant.
Why you gotta say big bag breakfast?
Look how big they got now.
Why can't we just have a decent breakfast?
All right, this is my demure breakfast chat.
Oh, okay. So this right here, let me tell them. This is actually made with a specific, like it's like pumpkin spice latte, in wherever we're at. But this is for Puerto Rican. It's called coquito, and oh my God, the taste is like Christmas in a cup. And you know me, I got me a regular old cappuccino. I was being boring today. But tomorrow I'm going to come back to this coffee shop and get this. It's so delicious. I'm jealous.
So I'll let y'all know how this is. Peace.
So this is actually the building we're staying in right here. Right across from the beach. Look at that. It's so beautiful.
We had some time to kill before the tour, so we went driving. We're in front of...
Everything's like, what was it, like a less than a 10-minute drive to the beach? It's like right down the street.
There it is, guys. The Grand Canyon.
Here we are, kids. The Grand Canyon.
I want a new one, now!
I want a new one. Now!
Really simple, okay? First of all, this is a Coast Guard certified vessel, so we do carry up life jackets when they are stored under the bar area. In case of an emergency, we hit an iceberg on the way, the crew will hand them out to you. Got that clear?
Yes.
muchacho que es un hombre su cabrón.
That's good for you.
Eso.
All right, y'all. We have made it to the island. I'm gonna let you guys see the view, but again, like I keep saying, like pictures and videos do not do justice of how beautiful it is. But this is the boat we were actually in.
This is Icacos.
And we were staying somewhere over there. Over there, all the way straight is where we were. They said it was 45 minutes, but it didn't feel like 45 minutes to me. And we already had a piña colada. Oh my God. It was 10 o'clock in the morning. They were ready to get it going. Oh my God, after what I seen, I think I seen enough, babe. I don't have to go in the water. I promise I'll be good for what I just seen. I seen a jellyfish like that big when we were going across the ocean. Like, and they throw stuff to like make the fishes. So there's like reefs at the bottom. That's what it is. All right, chat. We came to a local beach that basically the guys who were on the boat, they recommended a place here in Puerto Rico, which is like a beach, and there's a whole bunch of like restaurants and stuff kind of in there. But really, we love the tour so much today and the Atlantic Ocean. I panicked for a second, but I think I fell in love with the beach here. So I'm like, we have to go swimming again.
Alright, y'all. So we here in the Atlantic Ocean hanging out. You know what I noticed this whole trip? I've been doing a lot of relaxing and adventuring, but it's really exhausting being a chill guy everywhere you go. I'm serious. I'm a chill guy watching this, y'all understand. But anyway, super chill. I mean, look at the view. The view's super chill. Again, we were in Fajardo, and we went on the boat tour today. I did a front flip off the boat into the ocean. God, it's so good. With the life jacket, I was like, no, let me just jump in there because I can swim. And I was swimming, but you can't really snorkel without using so much energy. So I had to get one of them. It's like this little yellow life jacket thing. It's not the one that's strapped on like a jacket. It's like a band. But yeah, I was freaking out. Water kept getting into my goggles. Water kept getting into my nose. My sinuses have been flushed.
That you were just a chill guy.
That's what I'm saying. It's exhausting remaining the chill guy because you don't always remain a chill guy. This is
Boy saw the ocean in the bottom, and he was like, I didn't know how to breathe with the snorkel thingies.
This is coming from the.
And then once I actually seen how freaking high up we were in the ocean, I was like, okay, yeah, that's deep. And I was like, there's actual fishes down there, like freaking. They were like, oh, don't get close to those things because they might like burn your skin. And I'm like, burn your skin? I was like, yeah, I'm not going in there.
Nah, but yeah,
But
but let me tell you this. I take that back because first of all, the fish was huge. He's throwing chips in the water. The fish was
heck yeah.
crazy. But I'm proud of Yasmin. She's been afraid of the water. She's been afraid of boats.